All right, guys, we are going live. Let's do this. Wake up, I do what I want. Work for myself. I don't need cosigns. No days. Just run like crazy. Just run like like I never rest. This my year. I know that I'm next. They play Tekken, I play chess. Moving in silence. Think I'm on this. What am I doing? Ready for bargain. Hey, to the grind. Like, back to the grind like I. This my year. I know that I'm next. Tekken, I play chess. Moving in silence. Think I'm on this. What am I doing? Ready for bargain. Lose. All right, let's do this. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the live stream. Now, let me just check some things first of all. I hope audio is good. Audio is good. Audio is perfect, I guess. Great. Audio is perfect. All right. So, after the last trade that we took here, price went crazy. Look at this uptrend. We have if we hold that trade, imagine. But the important point is we have to stick to the plan. There were multiple chances that price could have rejected and went on the opposite side. So the best point is to close where we are, you know, comfortable basically. So we do not want to hold the trade and be in like when I close this trade and go home. So simple as that. Like we just waited, close the trade. Now we're gonna take a trade again. Right, let me just log into my Funrate account. Sorry, Evolution. I mean, like just phase one account, I guess. Okay, there you go. You can see the balance. We are up around 1% on this account right now. Let's see how we do today. Either we're gonna lose around 0.70% or so. Either we're gonna get another 1% today. All right, that's the target. So I hope you guys are ready. Now let's do some analysis. All right. Okay. Let me remove these things. Check BTC also. Everyone want to check BTC. Like they have invested 10,000 rupees. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Okay. So you want me to check BTC as well? BTC. Yeah, BTC is still going to the top, I guess, as always. Okay, let's like to be honest, I'm not the crypto guy, but I'll give you my honest opinion. If you are trading crypto, okay, then this is still a huge bull run. If you check the monthly, weekly, or daily time frame, this was just a small pullback. Okay, we are still until or unless price doesn't go below this area, there is no downtrend. Okay, there is no downtrend because this could be easily be like this and retest and then go up. Okay, but if I want to see a proper downtrend, then it should be below this area doing a small retest and then touching these zones again around 50K. But trust me, it will come down. Okay, when I say it will come down, what I'm expecting is that price will come down around 74 max. Okay, that's what I think. If you have checked my analysis video that I did long time ago, long time ago, I did an analysis saying that how Bitcoin move basically. When if you even if you go to this mark, when it made a high of around what do you call 10K, right? What it did, drop down to 3K. And what do you see? Another high. But it didn't stop yet. Okay. It just continue going up to max out at 65. Let's take that 65 number. Okay. What it did went down around 30K. So if you see a huge bull run, this is how you need to measure that. Okay, we're gonna measure it. This is the last low it made, and then from here and point, it started moving to the upside. Okay, so I'm gonna count it from here till here. How much is that? That's 993% gain. Like it's crazy if anyone have hold the BTC. Okay, now at the same time, this is 900% gain. Now let's take a look at from here to here. That's 54%. Do you see the difference? If you do, then like this move have happened like in a long period of time. This was quick. Then we have another move, and then after that we did drop down basically to 15K. Okay, I'll tell you why this happened. This 50K move. Okay, so when we create a high, we take a drop down 40 to 50% of that area. Once we do that, then we make a new high. So basically what we did is make a new high to continue the trend. Now once we do create that high, always keep in mind when there's a huge bull run, price will come back at that price point. Okay, this is my way of looking at the charts. Okay, it will come back no matter what, because Buyers won't stay until the price just keep going up. Okay, they will sell the price, they will take out some money, then they will enter again when the price come down. So this same thing here happened. People started, you're like, oh, it's a 60K, and some of the people started getting out. Okay, and when they did, price immediately dropped. Okay, now count this. How much is that? 70%. Okay, so if price move around like say 100%, then it recovered around 40%, make a new high, or retrace that areas around that, what we call a resistance. Okay, once we touch the resistance and then we retrace again to make a proper low, recover around 50 to 60% or 70%, but it won't recover like 100%. It won't go to those areas where it started the uptrend. Okay, it will recover around 70%, max 80%. But if it goes above that, that means like it's something huge going on in the fundamental sides. Okay, then there is another huge move coming in. Now, after recovering, what price did? It went to the same high, 300% gain. Now, after consolidation, we created a new high. Now, this is because US elections, okay? Because Trump, he has been in the favor of crypto for a long time, I guess. And this huge run is because of that point, I guess. Okay, that's my point of view on BTC. And right now, what it's doing is just consolidating again. So if we do consolidate again like this and then break above, then that will be another bull run. But let's assume if we are doing analysis on a small time frame like 30 minutes or 1 hour, what I'll be looking at is there multiple price rejection points. First of all, this is the area here, you see, and after that price is going up. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Interesting. Okay, now we created this low here, then a high, then a low. So basically what we are doing is creating a lower low, right? Then we created the first time a new high, breaking the previous high as well, right? Then we retraced a little bit, like as I said, 100% move. So keep in mind, this is a change of character. Okay, that's what you call in ICD or other concepts. So basically, there is a change in the trend. Okay, there is new high coming in. So whenever there's a like from if I count from here to here, that's 100% move. Then 60% retracement. Then we make another high. Then another retracement. Okay, then it came up, made a low, then a new high. Okay, basically this was a small consolidation. Then there is a breakout, and now price is going up. So according to me, the key area we have the price mark, you can say that is 100K. That is a sentimental mark area where people will start getting out of the price basically. Once we do that, it will start dropping again. Like that's my lookout on the BTC as you asked. Okay, now going back to gold, because I don't want to, I don't trade BTC. We are here to trade my pass, my things. I'll just give you the analysis if you ask for that. Can you please tell me about trusted funded account details? What's that? What is that trusted funded account? I do not understand. What do you mean? All right. So first of all, let me update the, you know, below sheets. You've seen trade taken, trade two that we have taken was, did we just, oh, we accidentally shifted to, no. That is because this move is similar, I guess, to BTC. That's why I feel like I was doing analysis on gold. But yeah. Anyway, so the last trade we taken, we made around 50 bits, right? Yeah, gold funded is good. I mean, they have a pretty good idea what they are doing. I mean, according to me, which one is the best for trading? You mean which funded company is the best to trade? If that's what you are asking, actually, you know what? First trade was sell, not buy. I accidentally updated in a wrong way. So right now I'm trading with gold funded. Let me show you the website. So I'm trading with them. Okay. Okay. So the reason I'm trading with them is because I know the owner personally. Okay, I have done a podcast with him. I like the idea how he started the firm. I mean, this funded company, and there is three people behind it. There's not one guy who's the pillar. So there is a three pillar. So basically, I think this company can hold up for a long period of time. And the owner himself is, regularly active. And if there is any issue, he can solve that as well. So because recently I had a guy reached me out saying that he transferred the fund, he buy the account, but he didn't added a number, you can say, which confirm the transaction. So he forgot that. Basically, to confirm the transaction, so I reached the guy out, and he helped that customer of the company and all. So basically, there is a smooth customer service and everything. So I like it on that basis. So if you want to take an account with them, you can use my code, that is XK trading, basically, and you will get 20% off that. If you don't want to, like, there are other companies as well, you can check that out, but I do not know them personally, so I do not trade with them exactly. Okay, so that's the simple view. Now let's focus on the analysis, guys. I'll i'll reply you after the analysis, after we have done a proper detailed analysis, then we can set for the Q&A things. Okay. Now looking at the daily time frame, what we are doing, basically we are still resting below this area. Okay, we are still resting below this area. I'm just gonna turn this on. So you see, we are still at the weekly high. We just recently broke the weekly high here. So that means price is going up. Now daily time frame, we are already moving around 1% of the, like, 0.63% or so. But the last candle move was around similar to these areas. Question is, are we going to continue going higher, or are we going to have a rejection point here and retrace a little bit at this point? Now for me to consider that, are we going to continue higher or not, first of all, I'm going to mark this zone out here. So the reason I'm marking this area, if you have seen the last live stream, this is a key area. Price have went up from here multiple times. So if we are already above this area, what I'm expecting is that if I'm looking for a long term move, what I'll be expecting that price retrace a little bit and then go up. Okay, that is something you should be looking for. All right, let's go to 1 hour. Now this is a perfect key support area as well at the same time. So I think we are good at this point. I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger. 30 minute, going to 30 minutes to see what price is doing. Okay, so we are breaking the weekly high, and now we are retracing back into the zones. This is our daily high, previous candle daily high. Let's take a look at the 4 hour candle. What's it doing again? So we have this area. Now 4 hour candle, the last two candle was bullish, but the volume you see is not that you know big. So in that candle, we can see that volume is not that big. So if this candle do retrace back, we can see a pullback till here. Okay. And how much time we have? We have half hour left. So let's wait for this candle closure. If this candle close below these zones here with rejections at this point, then we can take a, price will drop down and then go up. Basically, that's what we can expect from this price. Now going to 15-minute time frame, what I see that in that half hour time, we can tap into the zone. The question is, how much will I be risking here? 39 pips to gain around 50 pips. Mm, I mean, we did break, now going down, tapping into the zone. It does look good, to be honest, but we just started the session, right? So let's give some time to analyze the price action and see how it's moving basically in New York session. Based on that, we're gonna judge how price will move. Okay. Now let's take a look at the silver. Okay. So last analysis that we did, we are breaking below the structure. We went down, retested, and now we are making a new low. Price is going up to, I think, retrace a little bit again. And you see that perfect analysis again. Break of structure. Where is that? So yeah, basically break of structure, retest, went down, made a new low, coming back up, you know, possibly making a new low. So I think this is looking pretty clean as well. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, yes, already seeing some bearish momentum here. Question is on a weekly time frame. Yeah, on a weekly or a daily time frame, you can say this is a key area as well. You see, after dropping down from here, so we are doing the same thing. After dropping down till here, what price did? Created a double bottom like this. After making a low, it started moving up. Okay, this is the first, second, this is the third. After this area as well. So I'm pretty sure that this is a really important area as well. So if you want to see a break of structure below this area, then we can target the low we have here. Okay, basically. So what I'll be waiting for is that I cannot take uh, sells at this moment because there is no huge confirmation on a daily or a bigger time frame, basically. So if I want to, I need to see how price is doing here. Okay, we can see there's a huge drop. Also keep in mind, tomorrow will be NFP, right? If I'm not wrong, because this is the first Friday of the. Let's go to second date. Today is JPY holiday. There was a news at 7 p.m. Unemployment claims. The numbers were good for USD. So basically, for gold, we are pushing to the top side. Okay, what they were expecting 222, but it turned out to be 211. So that is good for currency. Then we have some other news coming in. All right. And tomorrow, okay, tomorrow is manufacturing PMI. So I think tomorrow is not the NFP. Yeah, we have NFP at 10. So I was like first week of the NFP, most likely we have the first week. Yeah, basically, so the first week will be this one. So we do not have the major news coming in tomorrow. So basically, we can still expect the move today to happen. All right. All right. Let's take a look at the GBP Okay, this price is so good. It's moving so good. I mean, I don't know what to say. If anyone is trading London or Asian session, you should be taking these trades. Okay, we mark that this is we are at the high key area here. I was expecting for price to move down, but it was so smoothly done. Like trust me when I say smoothly, it's like look at this. After a drop, did a retest, making a higher high, creating a low again. We'll do a retest, making a higher high, then continue the downtrend. So it's beautiful. It's like a art. Guys, it's we started the live stream. It's been half an hour and there is no like. There is no like. Okay. So I will really appreciate that if you like the live stream. And yeah, that's it. That's it. That's all I can expect. Because I'm pretty sure with this analysis, it will be helpful for you, right? All right. Okay. 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 So you here, what we are seeing basically is that prices touching this key area level, right? And after that, price had a huge bump. And if you're tapping into that zones again, most likely we're gonna see another huge coming in. But for that, all I need, all I need is that I want to see like twice a rejection from this area. Like there's already one rejection. I want to see another rejection, and then I can enter for buy here. Okay, but I need to see the rejection. All right. So this is good. We can take a trade here at this point. And you know how much we can risk on this trade idea, I guess 30 to 40 pips and to target around like 100. Give me a minute, guys. Give me a minute. All right. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for that. I was doing something. Doing something. All right. All right. All right. All right. What do I have? Just checking things. All right. Yeah. Let's focus on this again. Okay. So all we need is multiple rejection at this point. If we get the multiple rejection, so basically that will confirm that prices not going down basically, and it will start moving to the forward, and there will be change of character basically. Hello, happy new year. Yeah, welcome to 2025, and we are doing the live stream. I hope to continue doing the live stream and to pass this funded account because we are at the phase one, and would love to pass the funded account live with you guys because last time I did that, okay, and it was not live. So also I didn't get the payout, right? So due to the reason I didn't get the payout because I did a silly mistake again. It was not a silly mistake, to be honest. I really cared when I traded with that account, with the live funded account. I was managing the risk and all, but I was, not aware of the market volume shifting. So always keep in mind when you are trading that volume shift whenever you trade in the sessions. Okay, that's why in this indicator that I built, I added the session things, you know. So it will be easy for me to analyze that in which session there's more volume to trade. All right. Okay. So let's see if we can take a trade on this point on GJ. For GU, ooh, look at that. I didn't see that coming again. GU is dropping so much. I mean, anyone who's trading GU and taken a sell, congratulations. I mean, till now you should have passed the funded account and you should be making money. But I did not. Anyway, anyway. Okay. So on the daily time frame, we are approaching a level here. Okay. So let's mark that area just in case. 4 hour. Let's go to 4 hour. What do we have? So I'm gonna mark this zone here. We are already breaking below these areas, going to 1 hour, 30 minute, and 50 minutes. To be honest, like you know, I would no, I would not be interested in GU at this moment because when price have already trend, if he's already trending in a way, you can take a trade, but then you need to put a stop loss like above the previous high basically. And the previous high we have is this. Okay, so how much will that be? That is 67 pip stop loss. And I'm not interested in risking around 67 pips today, to be honest. So there is no point. All we can do is put the stop loss like above this high, that is 30 pips, and target, I don't know, the next low we are price will go down. But I think like that will be hard to say that price will break below these areas or not because we are tapping that zones. Mm-hmm. Yep, we are. How much? So we have 16 minutes left before the 4 hour candle close as well. So how about we wait for the 4 hour candle to close and see where price is going, and based on that we're gonna take the trade. Okay, because GJ is making another low here, so I would not be interested in that. So that is last 15 minute. Once this 15-minute candle close, that will be the last 15 minute for the 4 hour candle. So it will be interesting to see if this candle close like a big bullish candle or it will be like closing like in this zones again. So if it close above this area, then there is like possibility that price will first go and create a high and then move down. I think like we are already trending nicely here, right? So let's see what price does. Okay, now we can do the Q&A. Okay, like if you have any questions, fire away. We're gonna answer that. And yeah, that's it. That's it. That's all. Also, if you guys are new to the live stream, check out our YouTube channel. We have done multiple podcasts with really great traders. So I think it will be really useful for you because we are not doing podcasts like normally like other people, but what we are focusing on is that as a beginner trader like us who are not profitable, who are either at a break-even stage, who are at a stage where they're still learning, starting in this journey. So we are focusing on that key areas, like basically that if we are taking advice from the top people in the industry, then how useful that be to us, you know. Mm, okay, okay. I guess there is no one who have questions? Tell me, guys, do you do you like a live stream where you can, you know, enjoy it while playing games and do trading as well? Because I'm not sure like if I should be doing that or not. Like last time when I was doing live stream regularly, so what I was doing is like we wait for the trading setup and play games in the meantime. So that is something what we are doing. So tell me, will you be interested in something like that, or you just want to watch the chart and see or do the Q&A and things like that? So still we can answer the Q&A basically, but gold plan, you mean analysis on gold? We just did that. We just did that. Have you not watched the analysis? What do you mean by gold plan? Now, also look at that, if dollar index is moving to the upside, then gold should not be moving up. What should be looking for is price trending down back again. Okay. But sometimes gold move like the USD. So either it's doing that because you see like we had a huge bearish candle on 1 hour and 30 minutes, but it just retraced those areas and now coming back up and you know so if we go up, then basically I think, let's see. So rather like the gold plan is the golden plan on gold. Okay. The golden plan, the golden analysis on gold is right now to wait. Okay. Right now to wait and see how price is moving. Because take a look at here. Okay. In London session, we made a high, retested the low, made a new high, and then retested and make a new high. But now we are seeing it in the seeing the change in the trend, basically. Okay. Or you can say change of character. Now price is moving up again. Okay. So according to me, this is if price rejected in this areas and then go down, then this will be the perfect opportunity for take a sell. Or if price is doing going up and after going up, it's retest this area and reject, then that will be another good possibility that we can take a buy here. But let's see. How to catch long move like a risk to reward ratio 1 to 10. If 40 pips SL, then target should be 400 pips. Do you have any suggestion? If anyone is telling you that you should target 1 is to 10, then I think you should follow him, not me. Because you are at the wrong guy live stream and we do not do that. We do not target that crazy move like a 400 pips. People who do that, either they are risking a lot of it or either they are not following any risk management plan. The reason I'm saying this is depend on the, like, look at the target is that you are risking 40 pips and you are targeting like 400 pips, which is not that possible, until or unless like you're risking all of it and on a one trade. Like the way to trade, according to me, the best way to do it is to manage your risk. And I do not go with the RR ratio, sorry, risk to reward. Basically, what I follow is that check your account size, whatever account you are trading, take a 1% from that, and manage the risk on that. Do not risk more than that, and depend on the account, basically. So don't follow the people who tell you to target 400 pips. So 400 pips is something like how you need to target is, look at this move, okay, for basically from here to here. Yeah, this is a 400 pip move basically, and that is on 4 hour time frame. Okay, to catch this was a simple move. Assuming like if you take a trade, then you should know like how to catch that, because if you are taking a trade here, okay, then where should be your stop loss? Tell me. You said 40 pips, right? So that will be this much. You can easily hit your stop loss in this, and you want to risk this much to target this much. That is crazy. I mean, according to me, you should be really skilled to target that. Like you should be in the market for more than 10 years. You should know how the market is moving. You should know every detail fundamentals or some another informations. Based on that you are trading, then that is a different level of it. But the question you are asking, I think it's pretty wild to do that as well. So according to me, the best thing is to trade with the proper risk, sorry, proper risk management. So that will be like, according to me, based on your account size. Let's assume that you have a funded account, then risk like a 1% and to target the 1%. Because if you need to first gain some profit. So that's what I did in the live stream as well. What I did was to gain some profit first here, and now I can risk like 1%, because before, like the first and second trade I was risking only 0.50% to create a buffer, so I can risk more to target to complete this challenge basically, right? So that's what I was doing. Now this was a good move here. Price is moving to the upside. Now the only question is, are we going to reject this zone or are we going to continue going up? So as for silver, we are rejecting as well. GJ, let's see how much we have. Now we rejected once. If we reject again, okay, and break this high, then basically what I'll be, this is the high, right? What I'll be expecting is to price go up, then retest this area and then go up. So I'll be taking an entry point here. Simple as that. I hope you understand what I'm saying. We have 4 minutes left, so this is the last 5 minute candle. Let's see how this move. Okay, we are breaking the highs here. Okay. Now, all I want to see is the next one. There is 4 hour candle. What I would like to see with the next 4 hour candle is when it's open immediately. It should start it, an uptrend and go till this area. And once it reject that, it should flip bearish and then move down. Basically, that's what I'll be seeing on this. But that's my view. So if I need to take a sell, I need that confirmation. In the meantime, GJ is doing good, moving nice. I needed to step off. I was doing, my mom was calling. Okay. Now gold started rejecting already. In the next 40 seconds, there will be new 15-minute candle. Interesting. Amazing. I was not expecting this move now to happen, but if it's happening, let's see how next 20 seconds we have. So I think we're gonna, how much is that? That is 50 pips. The question is our stop loss will be like a little bit around 30 pips or so, right? So new 1 hour candle just open up. So 4 hour candle as well. No 15 minute. Okay, all right, all right. Now if I aim that, okay, if price want to continue going up, then there are possibilities that we might first come down. But if it's gonna, I think, what it call, if it's gonna start the downtrend, it will go up and then come down. We rejected again at that point. Now we are flipping bearish. So 4 hour candle created wick and is flipping bearish. Question is, like it's what do we have at the GJ? We're still at the stage. So there's two possible trade ideas, but it's tough choice. You know, it's tough choice for me, to be honest. Because you see that this VIX, huge VIX, is really confusing where price is trending at this moment, right? So let's wait a little bit more because I don't want to take a trade where I'm not confident enough to execute as well. Even for GJ, all we need to see is that price create a high again. Okay. Mm, okay, give me a minute. Okay, all right. So, on a GJ, what do you see here is that price have break below the structure. Now there is new 4 hour candle opening up. 1 hour is at this stage. So basically, but this was the break of structure on 4 hour time frame. All right. Okay, what do we have? Now, if you ask me, then okay, sorry, just a minute, I'm checking something. Okay, yeah. So if you ask me, then it's pretty hard to see that how price will be reacting in this area. Because if I'm looking for sales, I want to see that price is breaking this lows. And if it does that, then I would like to see this, right? Then I can execute a trade here or here. Now, if I'm looking for buy opportunity, then all I need to see is that rejections, price to go, create a low, reject, and then come up and retest and go up, right? So let's see. Let's wait a minute and see how price is doing at that point. Same was for GJ as well. Because 4 hour candle, whenever there is new 4 hour candle, the first 50 minute is really wild. Like there is no confirmation where price will be trending, how it will be moving. But the important part is that we have broken above the structure. So the important part is that we have broken above the structure basically. And if price want to trend to the upside, then this will be like a huge move up. All right. Hmm. I mean, I cannot take a trade here. I just need to wait. There's no point. I do not see much confirmation for price to, go in my direction yet. Because this is garbage, to be honest. This is garbage, right? If I take a look at the daily and a 4 hour time frame, I can still see a direction. But on a if I as I am doing scalping, for me this is garbage. This is like there is no direction here. Now, even if I wanted to execute a trade, like look at this. This is a 70 pip stop loss to target this low, so I cannot do that. A 15-minute. Hmm, 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 hmm. I mean, so let's see here. Okay, we went down below this weekly high once. So if this 5 minute candle close bullish, what I'm thinking is that we should take a buy, put stop loss below these areas, and see if we can target this highs. To be honest, that is a risky trade, but it's a risk worth taking. Let's see how this 5 minute candle move. Based on that, we're gonna take the trade. So, so I think like most likely, as this 5 minute I wanted to take a trade here, but I was a little bit confused on that part that there is a possibility that at 5 minute or the next 15-minute candle could reject and go down. But I want to see the another reason was not to take a trade here was this area. So I was like, let's wait for price to break above. If this 5 minute candle in next 40 seconds, if it's close above, then I think like there is a possibility that price will continue going up. And when it does that, I think we can take a trade here to target around 50 pips or so. But we need to be careful at the same time. Let's take a look here now. Because I want to see when the next 15-minute candle open up. Are we directly going up or we're just gonna break down a little bit? Okay, no, directly going up. Interesting. Okay, I'm not gonna take a trade yet because if this candle break down a little bit and then went up, so that this is a small rejection for me, okay, on a small time frame. So that is a confirmation that price is making a trend structure on a small time frame to continue going higher. Now, if it does not do that, then there is a small possibility that this 15-minute candle will make a high and then reject and flip back and go below this zone. So I don't want to risk on that part yet because you see, if not here, it will reject here. If not here, it will reject here. So there's a three rejection point coming in. Let's see where it does reject then. Okay. Now price is rejecting. All we need to see, if this 5 minute candle do not stay above and close below the structure, then I think we are good to take a sell and see if the price continue going down. All we need to wait for is this 5 minute candle closure now, which is in next 2 minutes and 30 seconds. GJ is still consolidating. There is no move yet. Nothing on there, but TXY is trending to the upside. Let's see what we get here. I'm pretty confident about sell, I guess. That's why I'm waiting for the sell idea to come in. So there's 1 minute left now. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna enter with 0.50 here, and then I'm gonna add to that position later on. So I'm gonna take a sell. I have risk around zero. I have taken a lot of 0.50 on a 100K account. So please manage your risk on this position. Okay, my stop loss will be here above this area. I'm gonna make it to 650, and my target will be this area. Let's see what happens basically, because there's 40-second left. If this candle does not close below, then we are in a big problem. But if it does close below, then I'll be adding position next here below the structure. Okay, okay. Man, I think I need to. All right. So price did not close below. Now that is a big bummer. Question is, will this 5-minute candle, is this grabbing liquidity and to move down, or is just, creating structure? Because this is count now as a retest, so it is starting going up. Okay, we are flipping bearish again. Another rejection there. Now, are we gonna break the low of the 5-minute candle? Let's see. Let's see what the price does then. We have like 15-minute candle will close in next 7 minutes. So most likely we're gonna see move in those period of time. Because if this 15-minute candle close below this structure, the next candle will drop down. Okay. But if it does not do that, then it's a issue because we're gonna hit the stop loss then. How long it's been? It's been an 1 hour since I started the live stream. Okay, all right, all right. Okay, let's take a look at the 4 hour time frame where we are expecting that, retest. Okay, that is too long to wait till here. I think even if we can get win this trade, we are still good. What's up? I'm good. How are you? We are in the trade, you know. Look at this. This is the setup for today. Basically, what I'm expecting is that gold have already moved in London, and I'm expecting that after breaking the London session high, I'm expecting that price will come down. New year, new day, 100%. New year, new day, new setup, new things, new live stream, and we're gonna continue doing that. And I'm hoping to, you know, change things. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so 15-minute candle will close in next 5 minutes. Let's see how this 5 minute candle closure we have in next 12 seconds. Yeah, let's see how it goes in some time. Now this 5 minute candle will be it will have volume, you know, because there's two possibilities. Either it's gonna close like a strong bullish candle, or it can close like a bearish candle below the structure. So that will be like something we should be looking for. GJ is still not, you know, I think it will create a low, as I, you know, said with you guys that, oh, it's something like this could happen as well. So might be this setup we are seeing. I think I need to go as well. I need to go in sometime, but like 15 minutes. So I'll be online. I mean on the live stream like last 15 minutes. So let's say I think I'm gonna wait for this 15-minute candle to close and see how it's doing. Which mic are you using? Okay. Okay. It's Fin. I think that's the name of the company, something like that. Fin. Like, to be honest, the first microphone that I was using was not good. I mean, it was good, but you know, in a long term, mic does not work. It's stop catching that perfect voice. So this is the new microphone. Okay, we got closure in next 2 minutes or 30 seconds. I don't know the exact model number of the microphone. I'm trying to find it, but I cannot. Maybe because you know, I think I bought this on Amazon. I don't know. I'll find it and send you the link on Instagram if that's what you want later on. No. It was online through Amazon or Flipkart. I'm not sure, but so I need to check that and send you the link through Instagram or so. We got 1 minute left, and this candle is, you know, closing in a way that we were not expecting. Like either I was expecting below this area, okay, which is hard to see now, And either I was expecting a bullish closure. Now, if it's closing like this, then that is a weak. This is a weak candle. There's not much volume in any way. So all we need to do is again wait for another 5 minute candle to see how that will be reacting with the new 15 minute candle opening. Oh wait, we got 30 minute candle closure as well. Shit. Okay, then we might have a small issue, because if there is a new 30 minute candle opening, then we will have a drawback a little bit before going down. In 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there you go. Look at that bullish momentum coming in. Can you potentially tap? Can potentially tap into 6 to 650 before sell. Please look once. Okay, I see what you mean. Yeah, that it could possibly tap that, or it could possibly tap here too. But I think like I'm looking in a way at a 4 hour time frame, and there's a weak rejections here. But if I extend my stop loss than that, what is the? Yeah, I have used a smaller lot size, so I can extend the stop loss. Let's take it at 51. Okay, but I cannot extend that. The highest we can go is that. But I'm pretty sure this huge momentum is because there is a new 30 minute candle just opening, and it will break the high if it's want to flip up, sorry, flip bearish. So after breaking the high, then we will see what price is doing. 100% it will, because see, if prices continue going up, now this is a issue. See, on a 5 minute time frame, we had a break of structure. Price did a retest, and now it's moving forward. So now it's creating a structure. So that's the problem. That's why I had a stop loss here. Now let's see. I mean, if price do tap into the 250 and see how price is moving at that point. But I'm pretty sure that if the 30 minute candle will flip, because in the you see this 30 minute candle have no wick at the bottom. Sorry. So with the candle who have no wick at the bottom, it will most likely create a wick at the bottom and before continue going up in the trend. Okay, so that's my lookout on that. Oh, GJ did that. 5 minute time frame change of character. I mean, what I'm still looking for is we still need a confirmation here. We did created a nice high here. Okay, we are still respecting this high here, so that is a problem. Now, if you are breaking the low on a 4 hour time frame, and now if price want to continue going up, it should break this high first, and then come back up, retest this zone, reject that, and then create a new high. So that will give us more confirmation that price is changing the trend here. Most of the traders do make this mistake. Okay, now keep in mind, this is the mistakes that I did when I lost the funded account. When I'm in a losing trade, when I take a smaller lot size trade to take another entry when price is moving in that way, okay, what they do is they enter when they are in a loss. Basically, when they are in loss here, they think that it will reverse and we will make more money. But I think that's what I was doing when I was trading with the accounts. So my view is like you can add on the account when you added the small lot size thinking that it will go down, then you will add more position. So stick with your plan basically. That's what I'm saying. Do not add it when you are moving in a further stop loss basically. We have 20 seconds or so. Layering and funding can cause damage. True. Like if you don't know like what you're doing, if you do not know basic mathematics when you are adding more positions and stuff like that, then it could cause a problem for you, because you added more position and you do not know how much you're risking while adding those positions. Okay, now we got a closure here. Now the 5 minute candle will most likely will break the high here. Now once it does break the high, question is it gonna continue going up, or is it gonna just reject that wick and break down again? But I think I cannot stay live more than 10 minutes now, 10 to 15 minutes max. So let's see. Like this is so that setup that I think of. There is a doji candle. This candle went up, break the high. It will reject, flip bearish, and move down. I have a question: why people layer in gold? What do you mean by just in gold? Like if you're trading other pairs, then you can do that too, right? You can just add more position. Like if you're comparing the volume, if you say that I'm trading gold and compared to GBP USD, you know let's assume that I can see setup on both pairs, GBP USD and gold, right? But I'll make the priority on gold because I can make more profit in a smaller range than compared to GBP USD. Because in GBP USD, I will wait like for price to move from here to here. It will take a lot of time. But for the gold, that will be from here to here move. You understand? So it's like pips calculation and things like that that change in the pair to pair. Okay, so I think because of that, you know, people started using smaller lot size on gold to understand it. So they think they are risking, less profit, but it's sorry, less margin of the account or something like that. But it's not like that. If you add more position and things like that, it will be come up to that level that it will hit your wipe up your account, to be honest, because I have done that. To be honest, I have flipped multiple accounts. I have tried that. I have lost it. There is still a video on my YouTube channel where I flipped from like, I don't know, something around, let's see, I do not remember how much, what was the amount, but I'm pretty sure that I showed everything because that was totally luck when I did that. But it was like something I was like, okay, I was not expecting this to happen, but it did happen. Yeah, it is the first video actually. You see this video? No, not this. This is a $200 flip, not that one. Yeah, this $32 to $1,000. This was totally from what we call by luck. It was accidentally happened. But flipping account is a really a tough job. It's not something easy that you can do every day. Flipping account is a really hard thing to do. Now this 5 minute kind of did flip bearish, but it's coming back up now. This is more of a rejection again. Did you catch LXG? Yeah, LXG is, you know, I have, done a reaction on a video there on my YouTube channel. He, how he do it is people have caught him like, doing the fake shit. So, you know what I mean, right? So I do not like that. If you're doing the flipping, show us everything. Okay. If you're doing the flipping, show us everything. For an example, how you're doing it. First of all, what was your analysis? Okay. Show us the account number and things like that. You know, like there are really less people on YouTube who show everything like a with the numbers and everything, but there are some people, okay, but they will also tell you that it's not easy job. They have learned it through intense hard work while losing a lot of money, and they have learned the skill to flip the account from small size to big size. Okay, guys, last 5 minutes, then I'll be off because I need to be somewhere. So I'll be posting you on Discord like what is happening in the trade. So we'll see on that. Still 2 years in trading, and I consider newbie for max people. To be honest, I've been trading for 5 years, and I'm still not that profitable. So I agree with their part that trading is not that easy job. It's not that how social media explain you. It's really easy. You can make millions. You can earn this much, that much, or something like that. Is like 1 month after learning 1 month course, you will be like something millionaire or so. It's really not something like that. If someone is really giving you value in that course, he won't be doing that for $100, $200. Trust me on that part. Like, according to me, the real education in trading is the time, the amount of time you put in the chart is the real education you will get. You are the real. Well, I'm doing my best to keep it real, everything like I'm showing as much as I can. If even if I lose the account, I don't know why people do not show when they lose the account. To be honest, it's my money. It's amount the money I have invested. So if I lost it, there is nothing to be scared of. Like, if I win it, it's a good thing for me. If I lost it alive, it's nothing. It's like some people, for some people, I'll be a content. Basically, I'll be a meme. That there is no problem with that, because I'm trying my best. So I'm just giving you the things that I have learned through my experience. But this is also something that you need to keep in mind, that not everybody can be a trader. Okay, not everybody. Because you have seen like certain people cannot trade, they cannot have that patience, they cannot wait for the setup to occur, they cannot control their greed, control their emotions, control their mindset. So there is a lot of factor to be first learned through the life before you come to the trading part. Like why people, like if you know the trader, a lot of trader who are really big in this industry, and their story. I'm not talking about the people who are influencer on the YouTube. I'm talking about the real trader like George Soros or other people. You can talk about, like, or we'll talk about Indian stock market. Take some of those people like who have made a real money in the market. So go through their story once, like check how they have come up into that world and make it in a big win. Like, you will always find out that their mindset is totally different from the other people, not like everyone else. Yeah, that's true. We are not gambling. Like, our risk management is okay. We are doing our best to make things right. So I think the 1 hour candle will be closing in 16 minutes or so. Okay, the highest point we have is this, right? we are already putting stop loss at this point. The highest wick we have is here. What is the highest wick? Okay, there. Okay, so this is my last desperate attempt that this trade will, go in my favor. Okay, the only reason I can extend the stop loss, you can take a look. I am losing $130. That is 0.10% of the account. So I can move the stop loss. But if you are risking 1% of the account and you are already like above 0.70%, don't extend your stop loss much. I am in 2% loss on a 50K funded, but I'm chill. 2% loss is okay. Like, just take it slow. Now, if you're already, if you're on step one or step two, like depends on that, manage your risk and, take it from there. Step one. So if you are on a step one, then I'll suggest like just risk 0.50% until you come back to the position of a 50K. Then still risk 0.50% to make 1%. Then risk around like whole 0.70% and then take it from 1% risk till you target the thing. But this is like this is something that I am doing on my account, so I hope it will be helpful for you as well, something like that. Okay, guys. It's 8:15. I need to go. I'll be posting you guys in the Discord. So if you're not the part of the Discord, it's totally free to join. There's nothing I'm charging, so you'll find the link in the description. Okay. So see you in the Discord. I'll be posting you guys if we hit the stop loss. I'll let you know that we hit the stop loss. If we come back to this position, if I start adding the trade or adding position, I'll let you know on that part too. All right. Okay. So see you in the next live stream. Thank you for being part of this amazing trading journey and amazing new year. I hope we can do something in this new year. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next live stream.